Welcome to this quick video on calculating someone's age in Excel in just a few seconds. So I'm going to show you a really quick, simple formula you can use in Excel if you've got someone's date of birth and you want to know how old they are without trying to figure it out in your head as well. So really quick way of doing this. Let's look into it. On the Excel in front of me, I've got a date of birth. I've got today's date in there as well, and then I'm just going to work out the age of that person. So when you're doing any formulas, when you're doing any functions, anything like that, we always know we start with an equal sign, and then I'm going to start to type in the function that I want. And the function is dated if. Now, it's not going to come up on every Excel. Please do not worry if it doesn't come up. It will absolutely work fine. It's just to do with compatibility issues across different versions, but this won't come up for you to select on every version of Excel. But dated if is what you're looking for. And then, just like anything else, you're going to open your brackets. So I've opened up my brackets, and now I want to select the date of birth. So I'm going to go and select A2. Remember, every single part of your function, you're going to separate with something like a comma. So I'm going to comma and then select today's date because I want to know the difference between those two. So I'll select today's date. Then I want to tell it to bring it back in years. So I'm going to comma again to separate out, and then to get years, I need to use the letter Y. But remember, in any functions, any formulas, when you're using any letters or anything, you need to put them in speech marks. So I'm going to open up my speech marks, put a Y and close them. And then the final thing I need to do is close my brackets. Nice and easy. So dated if is the one you're going to use. That one will not come up, but do not worry about it. You'll see in a second it works absolutely fine. You need to know the date of birth. You need to know today's date. And then you want to bring it back in years. So let's press enter and see that's brought back 43. Just to prove that this works, let's have a look. It is the 15th of the 8th when I'm recording this. Let's change this date of birth to the 9th month. So let's go to the next month. And see that age has dropped down to 42 because that birthday hasn't hit this year. So really nice, simple way to quickly calculate someone's age in years using Microsoft Excel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and let me know what videos you'd like me to record next.